Hey guys, good evening and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you, and that's my buddy Mitch, and he has his Rustler snowmobile, and we're gonna drive it on the pond here tonight. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for tuning in RC Overdose, and check it out. This is highly upgraded, guys. Freestyle lipo, and it has lots of different upgrades, lots of money put into it, guys, and lots of years of work. Freestyle lipo, let's give it. Oh! These are brand new skis, guys. Oh, you bend the block?
Fuck, man. I think I'm gonna go to RPM caster blocks.
And now you're running? Let's check it. I hope not, man. Doesn't look like it.
Oh yeah, I fucking bent the fuck out of the caster block.
Off it into G?
Yeah.
The TRX. Carnage, guys. Even the snow, even the aluminum parts. The Traxxas caster block bent in my buddy's RC, and it's still running up. Check it out. Oh. I'm good, bro. Don't worry about me. I'll dodge it regardless. I got my eyes all over it. Oh!